Carole Joan Crawford, Jamaica's first Miss World, passes away at age 81 years old. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Carole Joan Crawford, the first Jamaican and Caribbean national to win the Miss World title, has passed away at age 81 years old. The news was announced by Crawford's son Stephen Merkins in a statement. Born on August 31, 1943 in Kingston, Jamaica, Crawford captured the global admiration when she was crowned Miss World in 1963 at just 20 years old. She passed away on December the 18th. At just 5 feet 3 inches tall, Crawford shattered conventional beauty standards and providing elegance and charm that transcend physical expectation. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Right Honorable Mr. Andrew Holness, in paying tribute to Crawford, said that the former Miss World legacy is one of resilience and inspiration, reminding us that greatness knows no boundaries. As we mourn her passing, we also celebrate her incredible contribution to Jamaica's global recognition, Holness said, adding that may her soul rest in peace and may her family find comfort in knowing that her lasting impact she has left on our nation. Meanwhile, Delia Harris, Miss World Jamaica franchise holder, stated that Crawford's win marked an early stance for representation for a woman with color. She has inspired a generation of women to embrace their unique beauty and potential, demonstrating that excellence knows no race or geography. We will forever celebrate her legacy, which endures as a reminder of the power of representation and the importance of breaking barriers to create pathways. Beyond the crown, Carole dedicated her life to advocating for education, community development, and the empowerment of young women. She became a beloved ambassador for Jamaica, using her platform to highlight the vibrancy of the island's culture and people, Crawford's son stated. In addition to her professional accomplishment, Crawford was celebrated for her warm humility and devotion to her family. A loving wife, mother, and grandmother, she cherished her role as a nurturer and often shared stories of her remarkable journey to loved ones. Her passing is a profound loss, but her life served as a testament to the power of determination, resilience, and enduring impact of kindness. Crawford will forever remain a beacon of hope and a symbol of Jamaica's rich heritage and unyielding spirit, the statement concluded. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to her family and friends. Thanks for watching.